Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the first MyVision tutorial video. These are going to be a series of videos that are going to help you guys, particularly those that are new to vision, to educate you on how to use your food diary and tracking effectively. As you know that at Vision we focus on macronutrients. Achieving these macronutrients is fundamental to achieving your goals because each macronutrient goal for each client is unique. Particularly those in a weight loss scenario, you must reach these macros every day over a consistent period of time to have the best chance of success. So what we're going to do is we're going to quickly look at this front screen. This is the home screen that you presented when you log into MyVision. You've got meals at the bottom. We're going to click on meals and we're going to start planning a meal. So we're going to hit the plan. We're going to hit add daily plan. And we're presented with your tracking screen for today, Monday. Let's add a breakfast. So what we're going to do is going to create some Ryvitas with avocado, tomatoes, and a coffee. First things first, you'll see the breakfast category halfway down the screen, and we're going to hit add item. From here, there's a search box. This search box searches all of the categories below it. However, we're going to just start pretty simple, and we're going to look for Ryvitas. Okay. Under food is where we're going to look. I'm going to click on food, and it's going to bring you up all the search results. This database generally looks for brand name first and then product. However, we can type in Ryvita, we can go for the originals. I'm going to click on the originals, and we are going to add 1 serving. Now, the serving size depends on what is labeled on the packaging of your product. Okay, so for Ryvita, this is going to be 2 biscuits. Okay, so what we're going to do is going to have 1 serving of 2 biscuits, and we're going to hit add to meal plan. You can see it loads it into breakfast. We're going to add our next item. We're going to hit add item again. We're going to look for avocado. Cool. Search for food. Select avocado. And we'll readjust the grammage, which can be seen on the right. You can also hit the little triangle on the right hand side to see other options. However, I like to work with grams, and we're going to hit 30. Then we're going to hit add to meal plan. We're going to scroll down a little bit, hit add item again, and then look for tomato. Hit foods, hit tomatoes, and again, we're going to add some grammage. Maybe not that much, maybe about 30. Hit add item. Great. Last thing we're going to do is add a coffee. Once again, hit add item. Let's look for flat white. And this one's going to be a bit different. We're going to click on flat white, and we're going to hit that little triangle on the right-hand side for our drop down. Okay, we're going to change it to either a coffee cup for takeaway, which is quite a small coffee cup, or a mug. Let's have a mug. Okay, hit mug. We're going to have 1 of those, and I'm going to hit add to meal plan. As you can see, it's calculated our macros at the top so far of what we've eaten. If you swipe to the left, you can see the total energy as a percentage. Cool. And that is how you add food items to your food diary.